When rendering videos for social media platforms, it's important to consider the recommended specifications and settings for each platform to ensure optimal playback quality and compatibility. After Effects already includes some presets, but if you're using an older version, here are some general guidelines for rendering videos for popular social media platforms. For YouTube, for Instagram and Facebook, for TikTok, These are general guidelines, and specific recommendations may change over time as platforms update their requirements.